Jacksonville Craig Airport information Golf 1553 Zulu weather, wind 340 at 4, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 15, dew point 8, altimeter 3022. Visual approach runway 32 in use, all aircraft on initial contact advise you have information Golf.
Craig Ground, good afternoon, connection 213.
Connection 213, Craig Ground, good afternoon.
Connection 213, Sky Harbor, we have the ATIS, I'm ready for taxi for close traffic.
213, runway 32, taxi via Bravo Charlie.
2 Bravo Charlie, connection 213.
Okay. Nos vamos para casa. Nos vamos para casa. We go, we're going to, we're gonna head it back to Savannah. Craig Ground, this is Cessna 3240 Victor. We have a Golf, and I would like to request for flight following, and right now I'm holding on Bravo. I'm going to Savannah at 3,000 feet.
What was that call sign again?
3240 Victor.
3240 Victor, Craig Ground, Roger, I have your request to Savannah. I'm going to put you in for 3,500. Let's see, information Golf is current, runway 32, taxi via Bravo Charlie.
Alright, thank you for that. 3,500 and going to runway 32 via Bravo for Zero Victor.
Craig Ground, Archer 3918 Mike.
3918 Mike, Craig Ground.
Craig Ground 3918 Mike is at Sky Harbor with Golf, requesting a taxi for a southbound departure. I'd like to set up VFR flight following, if possible, to Charlie Oscar India.
3918 Mike, I have your request down at Merritt Island. Runway 32, taxi via Bravo Charlie. You said you had Golf, correct?
Yeah, we're at Sky Harbor. Yeah, I have Golf.
3918 Mike, Roger, go ahead and start your taxi, runway 32 via Bravo Charlie. I have your numbers here momentarily.
Alright, 32 via Bravo Charlie, 3918 Mike.
Great Tower, this is Cessna 3240 Victor. He's holding short runway 32 in Echo, ready for takeoff.
3240 Victor, correct tower, hold short runway 32, landing traffic show final.
Hold short runway 32, 340 Victor.
I'm 40 Victor, runway 32 at Echo, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Clear for takeoff, runway 32, proceeding course 3240 Victor.
November 9 Romeo Victor, turn left, contact ground 18.
9 Romeo Victor.
Right, Tower, Archer 3918 Mike, holding short at Charlie, ready for takeoff, runway 32.
3918 Mike, correct tower, runway 32, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Clear for takeoff, runway 32, we'll proceed on course, thank you. Tower connection 213, hello short at 32, ready for departure, close traffic, we'd like a short delay.
We're 40 Victor, free exchange approved.
Frequency change approved. It's going to 124.9, correct?
Connection 213, runway 32, clear for takeoff, make right traffic.
22 clear for takeoff, right traffic, connection 213.
40 Victor, 124.9.
124.9 for Victor. Taxi Center, Cessna 3240 Victor with you, climbing at 700 right now.
Number 3240 Victor, Jack departure, IDEN, maintain VFR.
IDEN and maintain VFR.
Number 99442, turn right heading 360. Number 40 Victor, radar contact 1 mile north of Craig. Resume own navigation to Savannah.
Resume navigation to Savannah, 340 Victor.
Hey guys, can you get some lower for 552 Charlie Kilo?
Number 2 Charlie Kilo, descend and maintain 3000.
3000 Charlie Kilo.
Something that I like to do before I take off, before I call ground, is to set up the radios. Alright, I use setting the radios, that will help you a lot to concentrate more on the flight. For example, in this case I have 2 radios. So what I do at the bottom radio, so it reminds me ground, I'm just gonna go put there, my 80s,
8 Sierra Papa, advising
you
of the field in sight.
so when I check my 80s, then I call ground. On the top one,
71898 Sierra Papa, roger,
I will
radar
put
switch terminated, clock maintain
tower
VFR,
and
please
departure.
transfer, good day.
Before airborne, you would like to get change your 80s to the next 80s. The next airport you're gonna go, or the one that you have on your way. That will help you just switch. Alright, so once you're airborne,
Savannah, 71 Bravo,
then when you have time, when you have straight fly, then you want to set up for next radios. Having everything
How's
ready.
offline, Tegan?
how's this radio sound? 71 Bravo Lima.
71 Bravo Lima, I have you loud and clear, homie.
Okay, loud and clear.
Also, you would like to set up your VORs or your navigation before you want to take off. So in that case, like I said, you just concentrate on the flight. It will be more easy for you. So it's just pushing a button and that's it. Sometimes when you call for flight following like a long, when you're doing certified advice, they will do that. So on the bottom, on the top, on the first radio, on the bottom part, you will not touch it. After you depart, change it, that's it, and leave it there. So it's a quickly change. If you ever flew the route, you probably know your next station, so you start putting there after you call the next station. In that case, it will be more easy for you, and it'll be more a great pilot. That will make you a great pilot.
Star 3240 Victor, contact Savannah, approach 120.4.
120.4, 40 Victor. Savannah approach, Cessna 3240 Victor, we do 5,500 feet.
Last call, say again.
So, this is 3240 Victor, I'm with you at 5,500.
Before with the Savannah approach, altimeter 3019er.
3019er, 40 Victor, thank you. So I'm right now, I'm flying with GPS. So GPS and ForeFly. Both being traffic also. So some traffic are on the GPS, some traffic are on my tablet. Even I'm doing fly following, they help you a lot. But sometimes they're not there. Sometimes there's airplanes that they cannot see there because they even probably doesn't have a transporter, but they have a ForeFly. They're doing VFR, so they're illegal. So in that case, ForeFly can help me to find some other traffic. Well, as a VFR, you're always looking outside, looking for traffic. So that's what I'm doing all the time.
Cessna 3240 Victor, Santa Tower, wind 330 at 5, runway 1, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, runway 1, 240 Victor. Tower Cessna 3240 Victor, going to shelter.
40 Victor, roger, make left turn when able, contact ground point 901 off.
Right, left on ever and going to ground 40 Victor. Savannah ground says 3240 Victor holding on Charlie, ready for taxi to shelter.
November 3240 Victor, Savannah ground taxi via Charlie Alpha GA5.
Alpha GA5, 240 Victor.